Hi, I'm Marissa Boone with Rebecca Steves Realty. Welcome to 101 Stapleton Court, a well-maintained, oversized split entry in a quiet neighborhood. Let's go check it out. The main level offers an open concept great room and a split design, with the master suite on one side and the remaining bedrooms and laundry on the other. This kitchen is pretty and functional, with tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and a pantry. Off the kitchen is a deck and a beautifully landscaped backyard. The master bedroom has a spa-like ensuite and its own walk-in closet. Let's take a look downstairs. On this level, you'll find access to the attached double-car garage and a large family room with another full bathroom. Thanks for watching. For more information on 101 Stapleton Court, visit realtor.ca.